Hello everyone, this is Siavash from PicInfiniti.net. So welcome to the introduction of Gungi. In this section, I will give you an overview to how you use the web app and where you can access it. Let's go. First, you need to go to PicInfiniti.net. You see a piece here, click on it and click on Gungi. And you can directly write gungi.picinfiniti.net. And this web app will open. Okay, let me a little talk about the web app and how to use it. First of all, maybe you use different screen size, so you can by keeping control and scrolling, you can zoom in and zoom out until it fits to your screen. And don't forget, if you're using mobile phone, you need to go to the setting and check desktop view to use it properly. When desktop view activate in your phone, you can zoom in and zoom out and then until it fits to your screen. Maybe some of you ask me why I didn't design it responsive. I actually did that, but I didn't very happy with the result. Maybe in the future I find some design is work properly in mobile and different screen size, but right now you can easily zoom in and zoom out until the game fit to your screen. Okay, so don't forget, if you're using your mobile phone, you need to go to the setting and active desktop view. Okay, it's very important. There is different part on this app. You see a navigation bar here. You can close it, open it with this little gear here. Okay, it is for new game, leave the game. Okay, it is disconnect you if you are playing with someone else online. Save the game. If anything happen or you want to continue the game in the future, you can save the game and load the game on the, for example, next challenge. It's very important. And if you find any bug, please save the game and email it to me and describe what exactly happened. I will try to fix the bug. So every bug you seen, please just save the game and send it to me. It's very important because maybe someone described the problem. Maybe I didn't get that properly. So if you send me the saved file, I can track the problem precisely. Games rule, from this page you can actually access the games rule. It's a very fantastic page. You can interactively check how the pieces move. As you see, I will talk about the rule in upcoming videos, but in this section I just want to talk about the web app and how it works. So interactively you can see how every piece move. You can check it, you can test them. Okay, and there is some notation, and this is rule of the game. If you want to read it yourself, you can use this part to see how actually rules work. And how to play, if you click on how to play, it redirects you to this video. Okay, I will talking about the rule actually in more detail in future video. I'm recording them right now. And if you click on about, it opens the original website, PicInfiniti.net. As I told you, you can go to gungi.picinfiniti.net. Both of them work. Let's back to how to use the web app. It's a very important part. I designed this app mostly serverless. Okay, so it is peer-to-peer. So it is made a little different from other websites. It's just working with a heartbeat system. So keep in mind, when you open the web app for the first time, you see this little chat box here. It doesn't just a chat box. it is a log box actually, okay? You can use it to chat with your opponent. But if something happen, it will warn you here. If you are disconnected, if anything happened, for example, if your opponent asking something to you, asking something from you, it's appear here. So it is a part of the web app, and that's because you can close it. So when you open the app, wait until a number appear here and the all-line text gets green. If you don't see this number, it means your connection has a problem. Okay, you didn't connect properly to Heartbeat server. After see your number, it means other peers can see you and send you a game request. After seeing your number, you can set your nickname. So before you see your number, please don't set a nickname. If you do that, sometimes other people can't see your nickname. So they can, if you want to play with a friend, maybe they can find you. After enter, waiting until this number change to your nickname. Right now, everyone can find you with your nickname. Let me show you. If I click it, as you see, I see the Siavash. Okay, it means Siavash is online. You can send Siavash a game request. Okay, for example, Salma. I enter, it changed to Salma. Wait until, what happened to Siavash? Oh, I close it. Let me open another one. I don't know why it refreshed the page. This is Salma. I put my name here, Siavash. I didn't write it correctly. Salma. Okay. So right now I can see Salma and Salma can see Siavash. So we can send a request to each other. If you click on a name, it's appears send request to Salma. This is a request, Siavash. Do you want to play? If I click on green button, we are connected, and it say playing. It's mean nobody else can send you a request until you click on leave the game. If you don't click on the leave the game, nobody can send you another challenging request. As you see, Salma is white right now and Siavash is black. For example, if Siavash play, as you see, it's appear on the Salma boards and it's a turn of Salma. I will talk about the rule on the next video. Okay, I just want to show you how the app works actually. And you can work together and you can chat with each other too. As you see, I can send any emoji to Salma, to Siavash, as you see. Okay, you can chat together. But if something happen, for example, you can use, we use this chat box. It's actually a log box. It's appear here. And there is another thing I want to tell about the application. If a Salma it's disconnected or leave the game, if anything happened, don't worry, you can save the game and load the game and play the continue of the game, or sorry, you can play the game and continue of the game. So don't worry if anything happen, if your connection lost, you can just save the game and you can, but there's important thing, for example, because it's randomly pick the color, okay, 50-50, maybe you are the black, but when the next time you are to play and want to load game, it give you white. Don't worry, just resign the game and the color is switch. For example, if I add ready, I will talk about the rule later. The game ends and Siavash change and Siavash colors change to white. So if you are playing with someone and on the next round your color is switch if you want to continue playing. After the game is finished with checkmate or resign, both of you may ask your opponent, will you want to play again? And you need to click on new game and start playing. Nothing need to do about it, just ask your friend, will you want to play again, and ask him or her, okay, to reset the game. Just add new game and you can continue playing. As you see, you can starting playing over again. If you want to play with another opponent, you need to click on leave the game, as you see, waiting until displaying text disappear. As you see, right now you can ask Salma again to play the game, or ask other opponent to join you for a game. So you can just talk with your opponent. It's not a chat room, but you can chat with your opponent. That's it. On the next episode, I will talk about the game rule and what is the game and how you can play. And if you want to read it yourself, just click the game rule and interactively you can check the piece movement. So I hope you enjoy this section. I see you on the next video. Goodbye.